Hey, welcome back to Martial Business Matters. I'm Paul. We're here at the Las Vegas, Nevada 2022 Martial Arts Supershow, and it is day 2. You can see I've got my coffee here. I'm about to head into the exhibitors hall. We're supposed to see some pretty cool demonstrations today. I'll try to get some footage of that. And I've also got a whole day's worth of seminars and panels on the business side of martial arts, which I'll be filling you in on later. So like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss future updates from the Super Show, and thanks for watching. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. This is Paul from Martial Business Matters. I'm here with Dana Abbott, world-renowned martial artist, living legend, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the ActionFlex line of combative weaponry from Century Martial Arts. Mr. Abbott?
Well, most everybody's used the ActionFlex weaponry over the last 20 years when I first came back to the U.S. But over time, we've worked with it, we've developed it, and it's all patented, and it is the best full contact weaponry you can use in real time. The best thing about the weaponry is it's very forgiving, but it still gives you the feeling of using real weaponry, again, in real time.
Would you say it's a lot of fun to whack students?
Well, it depends where you are at your stage in the martial arts. You can use it for whacking students, for example, melees. It's great for kids because it gets rid of that extra energy that they have. You can teach from the bottom up, foundation, or the top down, where you can just throw a bunch of weapons in the middle of the room so you guys go at it, because kids know everything anyway. So if you look at that, it works in very, very well.
All right, well, thank you very much, Mr. Abbott. I appreciate your time. Once again, Mr. Dana Abbott, world-renowned, legendary martial artist and weapons master. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Hey folks, Paul with Martial Business Matters. I'm here with Daniel from Airtrack, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his product for martial artists.
Hi guys, Airtracks can be used for all sorts of training in martial arts, everything from rolls, takedowns, and kicks. You can also incorporate them into your curriculums with strength training and other types of drills. They're inflatable, so you can customize the pressure depending on the type of skills you're working on, as well as the different age groups.
All right, and so what's the one reason that it's a must-buy, Daniel?
It really can scale with the different types of students that you're training with, whether they're 3-year-olds all the way to adults. It's a must-have training product in your dojo, so I strongly recommend it.
All right, thanks a lot, Daniel. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more. Hey folks, Paul with Martial Business Matters here at the 2022 Martial Arts Super Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. Been here for several hours today, taking a lot of really awesome clinics, seminars, talked to a lot of really exciting people, and gosh, you know, there's no way in a million years that we could get interviews with everyone, spotlight every new piece of training equipment, every new business mastermind idea in this short video. But I want to let you know that I have gathered a lot of great information, and I'm really excited to be sharing that with you over the next several videos. Great information about business operations, great information about pricing, great information about team management. I've been to a lot of great clinics and classes all throughout the day and throughout this event, and I'm really excited to share that with you. Enjoy some of these highlights, and thank you so much for watching. Remember, martial business matters because martial business matters. Thanks.